Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a combo recipe of veg manchurian and chili garlic noodles. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's first start with chili garlic noodles. So for that we need 2 to 3 dried Kashmiri or Byadgi red chilies. I'm using Byadgi red chili in this recipe, but you can use Kashmiri or any other red chili which is not hot. Remove the seeds of the red chilies to further reduce the heat. And then break the red chilies into medium-sized pieces. Discard the seeds, we don't need them. Let's move to the next step. To make the noodles, I've got this 26 cm steel tri-ply fry pan from Meyer Trivantage steel tri-ply range. It's a totally toxin-free product. It's made with 3 layers, core of quick and even heating aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of 100% safe non-toxic food-grade stainless steel on one side and induction-compatible magnetic stainless steel on the other side. It helps in faster cooking than ordinary stainless steel products and this saves fuel and time. It's compatible with all cooktops including induction. Heat around 2 to 3 teaspoon oil and add 1 medium-sized sliced onion. Fry the onions till they turn slightly golden in color. Then add half cup French beans, 1/4 cup carrots, salt as per the quantity of vegetables. You can also add capsicum to your chili garlic noodles. After sauteing these vegetables, add half cup broccoli and half cup cabbage. Boil the broccoli, blanch the broccoli for 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water and then use in this recipe. Stir fry the vegetables and keep the vegetables aside. In the same pan, heat 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Then add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic and saute the garlic till the raw smell of the garlic is gone or it turns slightly more than golden in color. Then add the red chilies and saute for a minute or so. You would get a very nice smell of the red chilies. Next, add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. If you want, you can use the red chili powder which is not very hot, or you can add the red chili powder as per your taste. Keep the flame low and saute for 4-5 seconds and then add soy sauce. Give it a mix and then add half teaspoon vinegar, that is sirka. Add the stir fried vegetables. Next, add cooked hakka noodles. So here I've got cooked or boiled hakka noodles from 150 gram pack noodles. Then add 1/4 cup chopped spring onion green and salt as per the quantity of noodles. Then give it a good mix. You can also use 2 forks to ease this process of mixing. Our chili garlic noodles are ready. Let's move to the manchurian. For the manchurian, here I've got 500 gram cabbage, so it's approximately 500 gram which I'm grating, which would definitely not give me 500 gram grated cabbage. So just for your reference, remove the extra water of the cabbage, it's very important. Once you're done squeezing the cabbage, make sure you do not throw the water. So keep this cabbage water aside, do not throw it, it's very tasty, we will use it in the gravy. To the grated cabbage, add half cup carrot, 1/4 teaspoon, approximately 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt as per taste, 4 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 4 tablespoon all-purpose flour, that is maida. 2 teaspoon red chili powder. Again, use the red chili powder which has more color and less heat. Give this all a good mix and make sure you use your hand to mix it, otherwise your manchurian mixture would not come out that great. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons more maida if required. Don't add a lot, otherwise your manchurian would become rubbery. To make the manchurian, I've got this 26 cm steel tri-ply kadhai from Meyer Trivantage steel tri-ply range. This kadhai has got all the benefits that I spoke about with regards to the pan. This range from Meyer has aluminium coat that ensures even heating and retention all around the cookware and eliminates any hot spots. This kadhai comes with a lid and has got stay cool handles that are permanently riveted and covered with silicone. Mirror polished finish outside and emery finish inside gives it a classy appearance. The kadhai and pan are oven safe up to 180 degrees Celsius and dishwasher safe too. Buying links given in video's description box. Use my code TTK15 to get a discount of 15%. Shape the Manchurian mixture into small balls and drop them in hot oil. For initial 1 to 2 minutes, keep the flame high and then you can lower the flame to medium. Fry the Manchurian balls till they turn slightly golden brown on the outside, and make sure that you keep the flame between low to medium and you keep switching between the flames so that your Manchurians do not remain raw inside. But make sure you do not fry these at low flame. Frying at low flame would make these oily. So these are ready. Let's move to the next step of gravy preparation. Take around 3-4 teaspoon oil in the same kadhai and add chopped ginger and garlic. Saute till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Next, add one small sized roughly chopped or roughly sliced onion. Then add 1/4 cup carrot, capsicum, 1 to 2 green chilies. You can roughly chop them and add salt as per the quantity of these vegetables. Give it a good stir and keep the flame between medium to high or high if you are comfortable. Then add 1/4 cup cabbage. Stir fry the vegetables. Then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons chili sauce. You can add chili sauce, then later taste your gravy and adjust the amount of the chili sauce. Give it a good mix. Then add the cabbage water. I had told you to not discard it, yes, because it's going to make the gravy very tasty. Then add around 1/4 cup regular water, around 2 pinches of crushed black pepper. Now add corn flour slurry made with 2 tablespoons corn flour and approximately 1/4 cup water. Keep stirring this mixture and add 1 to 2 teaspoons more soy sauce if required. Add 1/4 cup chopped spring onion. At this stage you can taste your sauce and adjust if anything else is required. Drop in the Manchurian balls, switch off the flame and just toss, and the Manchurian is also ready to serve. Serve the chili garlic noodles and the Manchurian right away. Looks so delicious and it's totally restaurant style. Finally, sprinkle some chopped spring onion and some sliced or shredded cabbage. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!